Hi friends, welcome to Nasi Top channel, Nursing Exam Preparation. Subscribe please. Question number 1. IARI stand for A. Institute of Agro and Revenue Investigation. B. Indian Agriculture Research Institution. C. India Agriculture Research Institute. D. Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Answer Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Question number 2. Adult basal metabolic rate decrease with an increase in option A muscle mass, B fever, C body fat, D body surface area. Answer body fat. Question number 3. The extra amount of calories required during pregnancy is option A 300 kilocalorie, B 440 kilocalorie, C 550 kilocalorie, D 600 kilocalorie. Answer 300 kilocalorie. Thanks for watching. Like, share.